Hi, in this video, we will compare Surfer SEO and Keyword Insight. Both are on-page SEO tools that help you optimize your website content to rank higher in search results. Keyword Insights is a keyword research tool. It helps you discover a vast amount of keywords and group them into relevant clusters. Keyword Discovery Tool generate hundreds of related and similar keywords quickly. Keyword Clustering Tool group the keywords that are similar to each other together. Keyword Internet Tool determines the search internet at scale. Content Brief Generator helps you outline the perfect article quickly, effortlessly, and at scale. AI Writer Assistant and Content Generator research, write, and optimize content with the help of AI. Keyword Insight provides a 4-day free trial for $1 and starts at $58 per month. On the other hand, Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. If you want to use both Surfer SEO and Keyword Insight, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.